Planets with rivers of lava that never cool. Entire worlds where oceans are molten rock. These planets orbit so close to their stars that rock melts like water. Temperatures above 20 degrees Celsius. Rivers of lava flow endlessly. No night, no seasons, no solid ground. Some lava rivers stretch for thousands of kilometers. The surface cracks, remelts, and reshapes itself constantly. If you stood there for 1 second, you'd vaporize instantly. Astronomers believe these planets rain molten stone instead of water. They are called lava worlds. And the scariest part? They actually exist. The universe doesn't just create life. It creates hells too. Follow for more cosmic nightmares.